How to create slow motion effect in CapCut Mobile. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide or tutorial, let's say, if you want to create out the slow motion effect on your CapCut. So let's get started. So let's start by opening up CapCut. And usually the slow motion is used to make clips look cinematic, dramatic, or smooth. So you can follow this method. So once you open up your project, you can open up a new project or open up an existing video, and you can add your clip to the timeline. Once it is done, we can select up the clip. So tap on it and white borders appear around it. Now what we need to do is we need to look out for the editing menu at the bottom. And from the menu, we can just go over and swipe and look out for the option called speed and tap on it. And here we'll be finding two options, normal and curve. So if you use the option called normal, tap on it. We can just go over and drag this slider right here to 0.5, make it slow, or 0.3x to make it more strong. And go ahead and tap on the right option to basically go ahead and smooth it and make it more slow. And when we tap on it, we also have an option for smooth, slow-mo, or something like that. For faster, better quality something, you can choose up the option and tap on right. You need to have a pro version for that. Apart from that, if you want to use the curve option instead, you can tap on curve. And once we have tapped on it, here we'll be finding different budget. We have Montes, Hero, Bullet, etc. Or you can tap on custom. Once it is done, you can just go over and tap on it, and we can drag and go ahead and play the video, and we should be finding the slow-mo effect being applied to our video. So when we play it up, you can see the slow-mo effect being applied to our video easily. You can tap on right, and when we do, the slow-mo will be applied. You can add points and drag them to slow parts. That will create up a smooth cinematic speed transition. And that's it. You can play the video. If it looks too blurry, you can increase the original quality clip, reduce the slow speed slightly, and tap on export option once you're okay with it. But this is how you do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.